Today's topic, resistivity of various material. Guys, here are some types of color: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white, gold, silver, and no color. See guys, its resistivity. How we find its resistivity? Formula for resistance we discuss about in this topic. Okay. So this is the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Number 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is the numbering and multi-layer. So multi-layer 10 raised to 0 ohm, 10 raised to 1 ohm, 10 raised to 2 ohm, 10 raised to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And gold. Here the sign is changed, 10 raised to minus 1 ohm and 10 raised to minus 2 ohm. Now guys, see the tolerance variation. For brown plus or minus 1%, for red plus or minus 2%, for orange plus or minus 3%, for yellow plus or minus 4%, for gold plus or minus 5%, and for silver plus or minus 10%, and no color plus or minus 20%. Now the formula for resistance. So N1 N2 into multiplier plus or minus tolerance. Example, here give some types of color. Example, violet, orange, blue, and no color. Suppose three colors are given, fourth color is not present, then assume then fourth color is no color. Okay. So violet, here what is the number? 7. Orange, for orange here the number 3, so 7 into 3 into multiplier 10 is to 6. For blue multiplier blue 10 is to 6 plus or minus tolerance no color plus or minus 20%. Understand guys, it's very easy. You want to know this index. Suppose 4 color are given: yellow, violet, brown, and gold. Yellow, for yellow 4. Violet 7. 4 into 7. Brown for multiplier brown 10 is to 1 ohm plus or minus gold variation plus or minus 5%. Okay guys, understand how you find formula for resistance. Okay. Now second topic, temperature depends of resistivity. Temperature related with resistivity. This form denoted OT is equal to rho 0 1 plus rho 1 plus alpha T minus T0. Here alpha is called coefficient of resistivity. Its unit Kelvin inverse all or Celsius inverse. Here resistivity unit. Okay, when we have to finding resistance of any temperature, we have to use rho is equal to 1 upon sigma is equal to m n e square into z. Okay guys, the resistivity, its unit is Kelvin inverse or Celsius inverse. Second topic, electric cell EMF and internal resistance. From this figure we note that cathode set at point A which contain positive charge and anode set at point P which contain negative charge. Here is positive charge and here is negative charge. Okay, here at A potential difference is V plus and point B potential difference is V minus. When electric charge not passing into this conducting system, that time point A to B created potential difference V plus minus V minus. So we get V plus plus V minus when it's denoted electromagnetic force. This EMF is denoted by E is equal to V plus V minus. This is our first equation. Now current I passing into this conducting system, internal resistance R affect on it. Then some energy reduced in this process, its value will be I. But the value will be minimum compared to EMF. For using this condition, we get potential difference V is equal to E minus IR is equal to EMF. IR is equal to potential difference. Okay guys, then we will get two formula. I is equal to V plus V minus when electromagnetic force is created and current not passing. After passing current, we get V is equal to E minus IR. Okay guys, understand what is EMF, electromagnetic force. Now current I passing into external resistance, we get potential difference is equal to V is equal to IR. Compare equation 2 and 3. IR is equal to E minus IR. We get E is equal to I, R plus R. Okay. Then what is I? Current is equal to E upon R plus R. At time t passing current I into this conductive system, then created potential difference and value is related with EMF. Reduce internal energy I square RT and reduce external energy I square R. We will get VII is equal to EIT plus I square RT plus I square R. Solve this equation, we will get I is equal to V minus E upon R plus R. This is current in this system. Okay guys, it's very difficult, but you want to know what is EMF, what is current when passing, what is potential difference when current is passing in external field or in internal field. Okay, what we will get? I is equal to V minus E upon R plus R. Now the topic, IMP topic, but you all know about resistor in series combination and resistor in parallel combination. From this figure we will show R1, R2 and R3. R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series. For series connection, we all know series connection, the final resistance Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R dash 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 Rn. Okay, series connection why? So total R is equal to a sum of all resistor. Okay. Suppose resistor in resistance in parallel connection, then so this R1, R2 and R3 are connected into parallel. Then what is the final resistance? 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 dash dash to 1 upon Rn. Okay. Suppose all the resistance value will be same, its equivalent Rp, then 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R dash dash n time. If all the resistors are same, then 1 upon Rp is equal to n 1 upon R. Okay. Then Rp is equal to R by Rp is equal to R by n. Suppose these all resistors are connected in parallel is same, then Rp is equal to R by n. If they are connected in series, then Rs is equal to NR. Rs means series, Rp means parallel. Okay. Then we discuss about our next topic, Kirchhoff's law. It's very big topic, so we will discuss about it in our next lecture. Thank you so much guys, and tomorrow we will start online meeting on Zoom. Please connect there. The timing is 11:30 to 12:30. Thank you so much guys.